try another example of piecewise functions. Again, you should try this one on your own first, and then watch the video to see if you got it right, if you're understanding this. Because if you can't do it on your own, you can't do it on your own in the test. So you got to be able to do these on your own. Alrighty, let's start with our first one. We're going to have our x plus 3. Well, my two x's are negative 3 and positive 3. And I know it's closed on negative 3 and open on the positive 3 because of my inequality signs attached to those numbers. Alright, next thing, let's plug it in. If I plug in negative 3 for x, negative 3 plus 3 is 0. If I plug in 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. I've got my 2 points. I know what it looks like. So we're going to have negative 3, 0, and that's going to be closed. I'm going to have 3, 6, open, and let's draw a nice line. Ooh, that is good. That is good right there. Okay, so that's my first one. Next one, why don't we do it in blue? We have 2x this time. Well, I know one of my values is 3. The other one's going to be greater than or equal to 3. So let's pick another one that's greater than 3. Well, we could pick 4 or 5 or 6. Why don't we go with 4? So I'm going to have 3 and 4. Well, I know that 3 is a closed circle because it has greater than or equal to. But 4, I'm not stopping at 4. I'm going to keep going, so I'm going to have an arrow for 4. When these guys are open-ended like this, you're going to have an arrow as with one of your numbers. You're not going to have two circles, one open, one closed, or both closed, or whatever. You're going to have an arrow associated with one of the numbers. Let's plug them in. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Boom. Let's plot them. 3, 6. It was right up there. Then we have 4, 8. So we right up here, and we're going to draw a line going through it with an arrow. That looks fantastic. Woo! There's our piecewise function.